If you operate in one of Toronto's fast-moving industries, technology is no longer just a support tool. It's the backbone of your operations, and the risks are growing. Canadians lost more than $638 million to fraud in 2024, showing just how real cybercrime and data exposure have become for businesses. At Connectability, we often remind organizations that IT should be treated as a strategic asset. As our president, Brad Shafran, says, organizations that treat IT as a strategic asset outperform those that treat it as overhead. This is especially true in Toronto's diverse economy. Industries like financial services, manufacturing, technology, professional services, and real estate all depend on secure and reliable systems. Financial firms must protect sensitive client data and meet strict compliance rules. Manufacturers rely on stable networks to keep production moving. Real estate teams need secure access to property documents and client communications from anywhere. Each sector faces different challenges, which means a one-size-fits-all IT strategy simply doesn't work. That's why proactive IT management is critical. Continuous monitoring helps prevent downtime before it disrupts operations. Layered cybersecurity protects systems, email, and identities from modern threats. And scalable cloud infrastructure allows organizations to grow without their technology slowing them down. For businesses across Toronto industries, the right IT strategy improves resilience, protects data, and supports long-term growth. To explore how these strategies support Toronto's top industries in more detail, you can read the full article on the Connectability website. And if you found this helpful, be sure to add this to your playlist so you can return to it anytime.